Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. So this video is going to be on this eye makeup. I didn't do my full face on camera just because, nah. So I just wanted to do the eye makeup look and just show you guys what look I created using the Magic Palette by Juvias Place. This is not a new, the Magic Palette by Juvias Place. This is not a new palette. However, I'm just getting around to making a video about it. So if you guys want to see how I got this eye look, then please continue watching. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. All optional, of course, but I really appreciate it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So for my transition shade, I'm going to go in with Zakia using a fluffy blending brush by BH Cosmetics. I really like these colors. They're very pigmented, pretty, and soft, and definitely buildable, which is why I like in my makeup and also in my eyeshadows. And to deepen up the transition color, I'm going to go in with Nana using the same BH Cosmetic brush. I'm going to be dipping back and forth because I really want to make sure that I get a color, even though it's going to be covered up by the concealer or the eyeshadow base for the, cut crease look. But I just always like to build up that color. It's hard for me to go back and add it once I'm done cutting the crease, so I always build it up before. So the next color I'm going to go in is with the Ejidi, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's the matte navy blue color. I had some trouble with this color, so I at one point used my finger, a flat synthetic brush, just to build up the color and blend it out. So I'll be going back and forth between patting it on and blending it out, just because I want it to be blended out, but I also want it to be, a deep blue, nice color, and I feel like I got that using those two brushes. So next I'm going to go in with my knockoff 217 brush that I got from eBay that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I love this brush, but it sheds. And I'm just going to be blending out the edges so it won't look too harsh. I'm also going to bring it into my inner corner, so when I cut the crease, there's a little bit of blue still there on the inner corner part, and I'm just going to be going back and forth between brushes and blending everything in. So to cut the crease, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base. It's a nudie skin tone color, and it works well for me just because it's an eyeshadow primer anyways. So I just use that and pack it all over the lid. Well, not all over, just, the front part of the lid, the beginning part, I guess I would say. But I really do take my time during this step just because it's easier to do it slow and right the first time than to try and go back in and correct it and do all this stuff. So I am fast forwarding throughout this part just because it does take me a while, but I definitely do take my time. And if you're looking at my lids and you're like, wait, why does it not look the same or even? My eyes aren't even. So when I open my eyes, one of them, I think my right opens up more than the left. I don't know, it's strange, but that's what it is. And then I'm going to go in with the glitter shade Nubia to just pack it on over the eyeshadow base. I did blend out the eyeshadow base before because if you don't, it tends to crease up, and then next thing you know, it's just not looking right. I probably should have added maybe like a lighter eyeshadow beforehand and then packed it on, but I just used a regular synthetic brush. I sprayed the brush with some Fix Plus just so I could get the most out of it. And so now I'm going to go back in with my knockoff 217 once again. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the navy blue color that I used previously on my outer corner just to blend it out and to make the edges a little bit more smoother. So yeah, you guys have absolutely no idea how excited I was when I completed this look. I'm like, oh my gosh, I did it! But I'll be back with my full face and we can continue. So the eyeshadow that not eyeshadow, the eye pencil that I'm using is the NYX, it's a kohl liner. It's so smooth, so good, and it's so easy to smudge. I always start with my outer corner, and then I work my way in, and now I just use a flat liner brush and dip back into the navy blue, and just kind of set the liner, and then I'm going to smudge it out later. And yeah, just keep doing that along the lower lash line. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go back into the highlighter shade that I use on my cut crease. So this is the finished product, or the finished face. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to continue to do, you know, my best with these videos. And I really do hope you guys enjoyed, learned something, or just, you know, just chilled and just watched the video, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and please like, comment, share, subscribe, all optional, but I would love it. So